In this slide, we see public health programs. These public health programs are designed to help with the management of diabetes and obesity. Public health offers two diabetes programs to serve the community. The Diabetes Self-Management Program, which provides persons 18 years of old and older who are living with diabetes the tools they need to successfully control the diabetes and prevent the complications of diabetes. This program is certified by the American Diabetic Association. Second program is the Obesity Program, which was created to meet the challenges of the escalating obesity epidemic in the United States and worldwide throughout multidisciplinary research and training, international collaboration, and public health policy outreach.